In this lesson, we will continue talking about the types of informational and data pitfalls that can occur with using generative AI. To continue with our lesson on ethical pitfalls of AI usage, another common form of potential harm is AI hallucination. Hallucination refers to the generation of incorrect information that is presented as truthful and fact by an AI model. This phenomenon is not reserved for extremely complex or under-researched topics. It can happen at any time with any prompt. AI tools are built to draw conclusions based on established patterns and take in their existing data pool to create an educated guess. However, the way these modules are actually evaluated for consumer use can end up rewarding models for making best guesses instead of not having an answer. One example comes from OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, where they ask ChatGPT, "When is my birthday?" They received actual guesses instead of admissions of lack of knowledge. While OpenAI claims to promote humility in their models, we cannot guarantee that all models follow the same principle, or that even ChatGPT does at its core. This becomes a hazard when children and adolescents utilize AI tools without a critical lens. As mentioned, AI tools present their responses as fact, even if they're making a guess. This can lead to the distribution of incorrect ideas, conclusions, and learning when children and adolescents come to it for questions about the world, their education, or themselves. This topic segues into the final ethical consideration we will discuss, which is feedback loops. We have established through multiple lessons that AI tools are built to develop trusting relationships with users and follow patterns. These AI tools are also trained to, quote, maximize perceived helpfulness and user satisfaction, including through reinforcement learning from human feedback, personalization, and memory features. What this means is that AI tools are trained to adapt to and affirm user beliefs for the sake of building a relationship with the user. This repeated affirmation can create a cycle of unsourced, continuously affirmed user beliefs known as feedback loops. This reinforcement cycle can continue to become more and more extreme as the conclusions are continuously fed to the chatbot, which can even return more extreme perspectives in order to satisfy the user. In one research study, 300 simulations were held where AI tools were made to create their own human-to-AI conversations and simulate a human user that is experiencing varying levels of paranoia. The study revealed strong evidence of, quote, bidirectional belief amplification, meaning that both the chatbot and the user continuously affirmed one another's increasingly extreme views. This mechanism is a dangerous pitfall for vulnerable populations such as children and adolescents, who, as previously mentioned, have been proven to go to AI tools for advice and opinions. When a user comes to a chatbot and delivers a phrase such as, "Am I a normal weight? I don't fit in. I feel nervous at school," their chatbots may validate and return this opinion as it is trained to. As younger generations continue to grow and develop their own ways of thinking and views of the world, they are sensitive to feedback and feel a need for social approval, which can cause them to take these responses extremely seriously.